Yes, a very good morning, class. So today we will learn small cursive letter L. What we will learn today? We will learn small cursive letter L. This is a capital cursive letter and this is a small cursive letter. What is the phonic sound of L? The phonic sound of L is L. What is the phonic sound of L? The phonic sound of L is L. So the words which stand with letter L are Ella, lion. What is this? Ella, lion. Ella, lollipop. You all have eaten lollipop. Ella, ladder. Ladder means CD. Ella, lock. Lock means tala. And Ella, lamp. Lamp you all have seen at your home. So these are the words which is given in your book at page number 14. You all can see these words in your books. What is the letter? The letter is L. L says L. What is the sorry sorry phonic sound of L? The phonic sound of L is L. The words which stand with L are what is this? Ella, lion. You all have seen lion. Ella, lion. Ella, lollipop. Ella, ladder. Ella, lock. And Ella, lamp. So there are some other words which stand with letter L are Ella, lion. Ella, lotus. Lotus is a kind of flower. Ella, leaf. Leaf means patti. Ella, lock. Lock means tala. Ella, lamp. Ella, ladder. Ladder means CD. And Ella, lips. You have these beautiful lips. Okay. So these are the words which stand with letter L. Ella, lion. Repeat after me. Ella, lion. Ella, lotus. Ella, leaf. Ella, lock. Ella, lamp. Ella, ladder. And Ella, leaves. So these are the words which stand with letter L. You can see these words in your book at page number 14. So now open your small cursive letter book. What you will open? Small cursive letter book. So this is the letter given over here at page number 37. It is given at page number 37. So this is letter L. Ella, lock. The lock is drawn over there. Lock बना हुआ है. So you all know we start cursive letter always from third line. From where we start cursive letters? We always start cursive letters from a third line. Now we will count 1, 2, 3. So keep your pencils at third line. Go up to the first line, draw a small circle. Come down to the third line and draw a small curve. Ella, lock. Write each letter and say Ella, lock or Ella, lion, whatever you want. But you have to write and speak. So we will again repeat it. Don't go outside from these dotted lines. So put your pencils at third line. Go up. Draw a small circle. Come down to the third line and draw a small curve. Don't touch this curve to this line. ऐसे ऊपर नहीं लेके जाना है. Okay? So I am again repeating it. Put your pencils at third line. Go up to the first line. Draw a small circle. Come down and draw a curve. Like this. Ella, lock. Sorry, I am repeating it again. थर्ड लाइन पे पेंसिल रखना है. ऊपर फर्स्ट लाइन पे लेके जाना है. छोटा सा सर्कल बनाना है फर्स्ट और सेकंड लाइन के बीच में. नीचे थर्ड लाइन पे लेकर आना है. छोटा सा कर्व घुमाना है. एल्ला, लॉक. सी इट अगेन. You have to keep your pencils at first line. Okay, then go up to the third line. You have to keep your pencils at third line. Go up to the first line. Draw a small circle between first and second line. Come down to the third line and draw a small curve like this. Ella, lock. After writing letter you have to speak L lock. C. थर्ड लाइन पे पेंसिल रखना है, फर्स्ट लाइन तक जाना है, छोटा सा सर्कल बनाना है फर्स्ट और सेकंड लाइन के बीच में, वापस उसको थर्ड लाइन तक लेके आना है और कर्व बनाना है, एल लॉक. सी. From first line you will go to the third line, come down to the third line and draw a small curve, L lock. After writing each letter you have to say speak L lion, L lock or whatever you want, but you have to write in speed. So you will write like this, L lock. Okay children, so complete your work in a good and a neat handwriting. Okay, so have a nice day. Thank you.